What is Forex trading? If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Forex trading is the act of buying one currency and selling another at the same time, usually to make a profit. You're trading currency pairs, like euro to US dollar. The process works by trading currencies in pairs. If you think the euro will rise against the dollar, you buy euro to US dollar. If the euro goes up, you profit, but if it drops, you lose. This simple idea can be risky in practice. Forex trading happens on platforms like MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, TradingView for analysis, and through brokers such as Exodus, IC Markets, and OctaFX. Key concepts you need to understand include pips, which are the smallest price moves, lots that determine your trade size, spread, which is the broker fee representing the difference between buy and sell prices, leverage that provides borrowed capital like 1 to 100 ratios, and risk management. To start trading, go to your website and search for MetaTrader, then download it. After downloading, register for your account. You can choose between a demo account or real account. Once signed in, go to File and select New Chart. After that, select which one you want to use. After you choose and click it, for example, I use euro to US dollar. After that, if you want to start trading, just click the buy or sell button.